Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So, message and energy check. Reading. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo mag-updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So yeah, let's start. Okay, Aries placements. Check your other placements po, ha? Yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay? So, message for Aries placements. 3 of Wands, 7 of Cups, the 8 of Cups. Meron ditong travel. Okay, meron travel. Pwedeng sabihin nating sunod-sunod na schedule para sa iba. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong parang may aalisan. Okay. May aalisan na situation na nagpapagulo sa isip nyo ngayon. Okay? What's with the 3 of Wands? The 8 of Pentacles. Iba rito may chance na mag-work abroad. Okay? The 5 of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong gusto ng kalinawan or gustong magkaroon ng solusyon. Kung ano man ito, yeah, meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos or humingi ng patawad, humingi ng sorry, humingi ng another chance, like that. May iba rito, pwedeng nilagay kayo sa third party nito, gustong bumalik or makipag-ayos, pero ang sinasabi rito is wag na. Yeah. Or yung iba naman is pwedeng pahabol kayo. Pahabol kayo. Tingnan nyo kung hahabulin kayo. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, meron ditong hindi masimulan-simulan. Sobrang delay na. Okay? Kasi ang dami, like, A, B, C, D, hanggang Z na yung plano. Pero wala pa rin nangyayaring execution. Ano bang hinihintay? Yung iba rito may hinihintay eh. Alam nyo, kaya hinihintay na lang din kayo ni universe. Ano hinihintay? Execution nyo. Yeah. Alam mo, kapag ikaw tong todo plano, tapos hindi mo na-execute, anong tawag dun? Failure. Okay? That's failure. Tandaan mo yan. Kahit may plano ka, kahit marami pang plano yan, kahit ready ka na, kung hindi mo nagagawa ng paraan, may execute, that's failure. Okay? That's failure. Next. Taurus. Okay. Taurus placements. Okay, anong message for you? Someone's like missing you or thinking about you. Taurus. A water sign. Yeah, someone is thinking of you. Pwedeng air sign. The 7 of Swords. The 7 of Cups in reverse. The High Priestess. Meron ditong gusto makipag-usap. Maybe your person from the past. Wanting to speak. Wanting to talk to you. Okay, yeah. A conversation. An energy of, ang tawag doon? Pag-reach out. Okay? May person dito na gusto mag-reach out or maybe thinking of reaching out. Okay? Some of you, yung person mo from the past, still, ikaw pa rin. Okay? Wala silang mahanap na iba. Four of Swords, please. Yeah, the Star. Diba sa inyo, maging aware or sabihin nating tingnan nyo kung anong meron sa mga panaginip nyo. Mamaya, tingnan nyo kung anong meron. There's something. Okay? There is something. Merong guidance, I guess, na ipapakita sa'yo. Some of you need to heal. Okay, what's with the Seven of Cups in reverse? Yeah. Focus. Okay, Six of Swords. Iba rito, kaya bumabalik si Paz kasi feeling nila lumalayo ka na. Kung ikaw tong lumalayo, yun ang nararamdaman niya ngayon sa'yo. Okay, the High Priestess, please. Ano to? Yeah. Meron ditong pag-reach out na parang napakakawawa. Okay, yeah. May makikipagayos. Pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng Aqua, Water, Air, Earth. Okay? So, some of you, meron ditong mag-reach out para lang humingi ng tulong financially. Okay? So, yung iba, nakita ko rito ng parang gusto lang sumunod sa trend and after nun, wala nang mabubunot sa bulsa. Okay? So, next. Okay, Gemini. Okay, so anong message for you, Gemini? Okay. Gemini placements. Message and energy check-ins. Anong meron for Gemini? The Queen of Swords in reverse. The Four of Swords, the Four of Wands in reverse. The Ace of Wands. Some of you, nakita ko rito na pwedeng may lilipat ng bahay, may lilipat ng work. Okay? Para sa ibang opportunity. Okay, yeah, for growth. Yung iba rito, pwedeng merong manalong kaso. Okay, legal cases. Yan. Ano tong Queen of Swords in reverse. Yung iba may ipupursue na bago. Okay? The Devil. What's with the Four of Wands? The Star. Okay. Meron kayong ika-cut off. Okay, na person. Napaka-toxic. Pwedeng around your workplace. Pwedeng sa relationship. Like that. Okay? And just move forward. Mas pipiliin mo mag-move forward without them. Okay? Kasi mas magiging magaan. And you need to heal from that. Okay? Ace of Wands. The Seven of Swords. Okay. So, may mga taong gustong manabutahe, no? Ng mga ginagawa mo. Like, may mga plano ka. Avoid mo muna, no? Na ipaalam sa kanila kung ano yung mga plano mo. Kasi pwedeng may mangsabotahe. Okay? Sila yung taong ayaw kang aangat. Some of them, pwedeng kunyari, masaya sila sa mga nangyayari sa'yo or mga mangyayari sa'yo, pero eventually, makikita mo, sila rin yung may mga ginagawang hindi tama. Okay? Pwedeng iba sa kanila, relatives mo, some of your friends, yan, ganyan. Okay? Meron ka ritong past person na gusto na makita ka ulit, na makakonect ka ulit. Okay? So, yeah. Avoid third parties. Okay? Avoid. Next. Cancer. Oops. Okay. Cancer placements. Ano bang meron for you? Okay. Cancerians. Check your other placements. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Cancer. The Star. Okay. Aquarius placements. The Queen of Cups. The Ten of Cups. Someone is like wishing, okay, hoping na magkaroon ng happy family. What's with the Star? The Two of Pentacles. Okay. Queen of Cups. The Six of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong nag-heal or maybe you need to heal. You need to focus more on yourself. Okay? Para mas maging masaya ka. Okay? Meron kang kailangang i-drop. Yeah. Some of you, meron ditong offer or relationship na hindi nag-work out. Yeah. Okay? Hindi nagkaroon ng, like, hindi nag-level up. Mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, nagdadalawang isip ka pa na mag-heal. Okay? Why? I don't know. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano tong Ten of Cups? Yeah, the Temperance. The World. This is ending of a cycle. Okay, you need to heal. This is healing, ha? Okay, kahit sabihin nating mahirap alisin yung tao. Or mahirap kalimutan yung tao. Maybe, hindi naman kasi like, may mga sitwasyon, may mga tao talaga na minsan kailangan nating bitawan, no? Para mas maging okay. Kahit minsan mahirap. This is like sacrifice. Sacrifice. Isipin mo lang muna yung sarili mo sa ngayon, Cancer. Okay? Lahat. In the near future, everything magiging okay. Trust me. Okay? Magiging okay. So, there. Okay. Next is Leo. Leo placements. Message, energy check-ins for Leo. Anong meron for you, Leo? Okay. So, death in reverse. Okay. Repeat. Na kailangan ng mag-end. Yeah, because it's just a waste of time. Okay. The Page of Cups in reverse. Some of you, this is like closure. Some of you, you're like waiting for a closure. Pero hindi ko nakikitang makukuha mo yun. So, ibigay mo lang sa sarili mo yung closure na hinahanap mo. Okay? Kasi kung ikaw, mag-expect ka, well, wala kang in-expect. Wala kang inintay. Death in reverse. Yeah, the Moon. Okay? Some of you, there's like confusion sa mga nangyayari, sa mga dapat mag-end. Wag kayong like, kasi may mga pwedeng sitwasyong mag-end. Okay, tas ang dami yung tanong. Bakit nangyari yun? Bakit ganyan? Some of you, alam nyo na. Okay? Some of you, alam nyo na. Pwedeng dumating na rin nga kayo sa puntong gusto nyo nang i-end yan. Pero, wala. Kapag si universe na yung gumawa, wala nang makakapigil. Okay? Pwedeng nahiya sa'yo si universe. Okay, ako na yung gagawa para sa'yo, Leo. Yes. Okay? Ano tong Seven of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah. May mga sitwasyong hindi na nag-work out. Kahit anong gawin. Okay? Kapag hindi yan, sabihin natin, kahit anong gawin mo, hindi mag-work out, hindi mangyari, hindi yan para sa'yo. Ganon. May ibang nakalaan para sa'yo. Much better. Okay, I guess? So, why waste time? Diba? Page of Cups in reverse, please. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. This is closure for some of you. The Queen of Swords. Iba sa inyo, kaya nagkakaroon ng pagdadalawang isip or confusion or whatsoever. Takot kasi emosyon ang nandyan. Be the Queen of Swords. Okay? Gamitin ang utak. Siya, ginagamit niya ang utak niya. Okay? So, maybe, para hindi na mangyari to, wala na yung takot, mawala yung confusion, whatsoever. At lalo na, marami na nga kayong sabihin nating nagpaulit-ulit na to. Masyado nyo nang kilala tong sitwasyon na to. So, ngayon, siguro, kailangan utak na ang gamitin. This time. Yeah, marami na naituro sa universe sa inyo. Some of you, talagang may mga sitwasyon, may mga relasyon na binibigay sa universe sa'yo para maging okay. Like, maging handa ka in the real deal. Okay? Sa real deal. Ito, ibinigay lang sa'yo ito para magkaroon ka ng growth. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong nahihiya na makipag-usap sa'yo. Yes, merong nahihiya. Pwedeng Aquarius, Earth sign, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? I don't know kung ano meron. Okay, next. Virgo. Virgo placements. Message for you. Virgos. Six of Wands in reverse. Stop chasing. Okay, stop chasing. Yeah. Avoid chasing. Attract. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords. Avoid chasing. Ikaw rin kasi na masasaktan dito. Kahit ano, na parang ipifit mo, ipipilit mo, ikaw rin na yung masasaktan. Okay? Hayaan mo na sa'yo ibigay. Hayaan mo ikaw yung mag-attract. Hayaan mo na sila yung ma-attract sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. The Nine of Swords. Meron ditong parang selfish. You need to avoid them. Meron ditong papansin. Gusto ka lang kasing saktan. Air sign, fire sign. Gusto ka lang saktan. Yeah, Leo. Init. Okay. So, may nag-a-avoid sa'yo, pwedeng Leo. Okay? What's with the Three of Swords? The Ten of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords. Puro swords. Someone's like maybe thinking of you a lot, but they're like holding back. They're holding back. Wanting to reach out, pero hindi nila ginagawa. Ayaw nilang magmukhang needy. Ayaw nilang magmukhang naghahabol. I'm sorry, cross-watcher. Okay. So, okay. So, there. Actually, if this is your past person, gusto niya kausapin ka, pero ayaw niya magmukhang kawawa. Ayaw niya magmukhang, tawag doon? Naghahabol. Aha, okay. Yeah. Meron tong gustong i-fix sa inyo. Pero hindi ko alam bakit hindi niya sinasabi. Maybe, yun nga, baka ayaw niya magmukhang weak. Okay? So, next, Libra. Okay. Libra. Pagod na yung card ko. Huwag natin siyang shuffle ng ganun. Oo. Baka mamaya, magpunit-punit na. Konti na lang ipunit na. Libra, anong meron? Anong message for you, Libra? Okay. The Ten of Swords in reverse. The Two of Wands. Oh. Kailangan nang matapos yung paghihintay. From an air sign, from a fire sign. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Wala siyang gagawin eh. Wala akong nakikita rito. Both of you, parehong walang pag-usad. Okay, the Tower. Kung may nangyaring separation, you need to heal from that. Huwag ka na maghintay kung ano. Okay? There's no offer coming. Days of Cups in reverse. Meron kasi ditong like Scorpio, Pisces. Ang hinahayaan na lang totally na tawag doon. I don't know anong term 'yon. Like totally maging ash yung tower. Okay? Totally matupok yun. That's the term. Hinahayaan na matupok na lang yung tower. Hindi sila gumagawa ng any kind of action or way para may salba yung tower. Okay? This is your situation. Some of you, you're in a separation right now. Yeah. Ano tong Knight of Pentacles in reverse? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, back and forth. Some of you, pwedeng makakakuha ng, pwedeng alam nila, pwedeng nasa isip nila is like, maybe you're getting attention from other people na. So, bakit pa? Yeah, some of them, they're like stalking. They keep on waiting. Waiting. Wala silang ginagawa kundi maghintay. They want you. Okay? Pero wala silang ginagawa. So, papaano yun? Ang hirap ng ganun. Yeah. Big Scorpio placements. Okay? So, meron ditong kung ano man ang hinihintay, Libra, walang darating. Okay? Meron kasi ditong urong sulong yung energy. Okay? So, next, Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Anong message for you? Okay, Scorpio. There. The Two of Pentacles. There's an earth sign. Juggling. The Wheel of Fortune. Unfinished business. Yeah, they're stuck. Fixed signs. Air signs. They're stuck. What's with the Two of Pentacles? The Nine of Cups. They still want you. They're like longing. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands in reverse. Pero, hinahayaan na lang. Para tong energy ni Libra. The same kayo. Yeah, and nakuha ko yung energy mo from that Libra. Ang daming Scorpio placements doon. Okay? So, Scorpio, para makausad ka, you need to, alam mo na, heal. Okay? Kasi ang daming dito, ang daming past baggages, no? Ang daming trauma from the past. Kasi nandito rin yung like juggling. Kasi gusto ko siya. Parang ganun. Kasi gusto ko siya. Kasi mahal ko siya. Mahal ko pa siya eh. Wala tayong magagawa eh. 'Di ba? Kung ganito rin naman. Walang pagbabago. Anong mangyayari? Mabubuhay ba kayo? Mabubuhay ka ba na ikaw lang din naman ang nagmamahal? Hindi. Okay? Daig mo pang nag-suicide. I'm sorry. Okay, Scorpio? Paano magiging okay ito? Kung isa lang naman ang nagkakaroon ng plano na umusad dito. Wala eh. See? The Four of Cups. Puro pag-iisip. Walang mangyayari. Yeah, the Sun. Ay, okay. Meron ditong parang like, alam naman ng mga sasabihin, nahihiya lang. Pero wag na. Wag na. Ako na nagsasabi. Wag na kung ano man to. Ang daming delay dito, Scorpio. Puro delay. Kasi may nagja-juggle, hindi makapag-desisyon. Like, aalisan ko ba? O mag-stay ako? Like that. Kailangan mo mag-focus sa isa. Kailangan mong mamili. No? Kailangan mong mamili. Uusad ka o hindi. Pero kung hindi ka uusad, walang mangyari. Okay? So, there. Next. Sagittarius. Okay. Sagittarius placements. Anong message for you? Sag. The King of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you need to save more. Okay, you need to be practical. Okay, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong person na parang hindi magawang mag-offer ng love. I don't know why. Okay? Meron siyang dahilan. Oh no, the Three of Pentacles. Sana walang third party. Okay? Merong person dito ang hindi makapag-offer ng love sa'yo dahil pwedeng merong third party involved. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng Earth sign. What's with the King of Pentacles in reverse? Iba rito when it comes to your career. Meron ditong boss na parang nanggagamit lang. Okay? Like, walang cooperation with that boss. Okay? Irresponsible. Hindi sila marunong sumunod sa kung anong napapagdesisyonan or napagdesisyonan. King of Pentacles in reverse, yeah. The Two of Swords. Parang kung makuha niya yung dapat, okay na yun. Hindi na sila maging responsible sa kung anumang nakasunduan nyo or agreement. Okay? Ace of Cups, please, in reverse. Yeah. The Ace of Swords. Some of you, meron ditong third party. Meron dito ako nakikita na boss nakasama sa third party. Someone, may third party. Ang lakas dito ng third party, ha? The Ten of Swords in reverse. May iba rito, may tagong relasyon. Sa loob ng opisina, sa loob ng company. Okay? Yeah. With a boss. Or with a leader. Or with someone who has a higher position. Okay? Meron ditong bulong-bulungan na mangyayari, Sagittarius. Yeah. This has to end. Yes, yes, yo. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng meron ng rumor dan. Okay? So, next. Pwedeng itinatago yung relation. Yeah, kasi pwedeng may matanggal. That's specific. Next is Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Anong message for you? Okay. Capricorns. Okay, this is you. The Devil. Okay. So, anong meron? You're doing good. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. Kahit sabihin nating medyo slow, pagdating sa kaperahan, yeah, you're doing good. The Tower. Okay. Iba rito, may pwedeng hindi nyo inaasahan, may darating na pera. Okay? Yeah. Mayroon ditong offer. What's with the Devil? You're just being you. Nakikita ko, yeah. The Star. Okay? May improvement dito, unti-unti. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Alam nyo, Capricorn, meron ditong Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius. Ang parang still wanting you, still obsessing over you. They're longing. Pero wala silang ginagawa. Wala. They're like thinking of you every day, every night. Oo. Yeah. Rumerenta ka na sa utak nitong taong to, kung sino man to. What's with the Tower? See, they want to sabihin nating makipag-ayos. Yeah, the Five of Wands. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos, Capricorn. Maybe nakikita ka nila na you're like doing fine or nagiging okay ka na without them. So I guess sana maging okay kami ni Capricorn, mga ganyan. Pero wala silang ginagawa. Okay, sorry. Ano tong Knight of Pentacles? Tingnan natin. What's with the Knight of Pentacles? Bakit wala silang ginagawa? Okay, bakit wala silang ginagawa? Oh, nakaka-intimidate ka. Yeah. Na-intimidate sila sa'yo. Nakakatakot kang i-approach. You're the Queen of Wands, I guess. Then, this is them. The Knight of Wands. They want you. Okay? They want you. A lot. Okay? Pwedeng Cancer. Pwedeng fire sign. They feel intimidated by you. Yeah. Gandang-ganda to. Gwapong-gwapo sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Meron silang love for you. Gustong makipag-ayos. Okay. So, next. Wala akong nakuha dun na sorry. Balik natin. Capricorn. Wala akong nakita dong pera. Ay, meron pala. Oo. Balik ko uli. Biglaan na darating na pera, I guess. Oo. So, yun. Okay, Aquarius. Ang gulo. Pabalik-balik. See? Kung paano yung energy doon. Pabalik-balik. 'Di ba? This is not for Aquarius. Or maybe, para sa'yo rin, merong ganun person na para siyang pabalik-balik pagdating sa'yo. Manood ka ng ang Capricorn, Aqua. Okay. So, kung Capricorn ka, manood ka ng Aquarius. Okay? So, Aqua, anong message for you? The Three of Wands in reverse. Backing away. The Seven of Cups. The Star. Meron ditong parang umaasa. Parang parang ang tawag doon, aasa ba ako o hindi? Aasa ba ako o hindi? They're like confused. O water sign, fire sign, Aquarius. This is you. Okay? Si Capricorn, nakuha rin niya yung sarili niyang card. Ikaw rin. Okay? So, tingnan nyo. May something doon. Okay? May something doon kay Capricorn na message. Maybe. Yeah. The Two of Pentacles. Juggling. Okay? What's with the Three of Wands in reverse? Okay. The Eight of Pentacles. Meron ditong parang energy na gustong i-work out, pero parang nananamlay na. Like, hopeless. What's with the Seven of Cups? The High Priestess in reverse. Meron ditong gustong makakuha ng sagot. Lahat. Okay, lahat ng tinatanong ng taong ito, gusto niyang makakuha ng sagot from you. Yeah, pero wala silang sinasabi. They're just like, getting your attention, I guess. Meron ditong papansin lang ng papansin. Yeah. See? What's with the Star? Feeling nila ang hirap na kumonek sa'yo. What's with the Star? Yeah, the World in reverse. They feel unfinished business. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Walang pag-usad. Ikaw, nakikita kanila na okay. Nakikita kanila na kayang-kaya mo na silang iwasan or iwanan. Pero, yeah, maybe, yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit yun ang naramdaman nila. Like, ano bang meron? Parang, ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang kinikrave ka ng taong to. Yan, no? So, pwedeng Leo, pwedeng Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Okay? So, there. Pagdating sa kaperahan, medyo mabagal. Pero, wag susuko. Okay? Work lang. Okay? Grind lang. Next. Pisces. Okay. Pisces placements. Anong message for you, Pisces? Okay. The Three of Swords in reverse. The World. Okay, so this is closure and this is like healing. Yeah. Oh, iba dito ha, mayroong new love coming because you are focusing pagdating sa healing. Nakaka-attract ka ng love. Pisces, nakaka-attract ka ng love. Ay! Ay! Oh, 'di ba? Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng malayo sa inyo yung person. Or yung iba naman dito talagang focus lang pagdating sa self-love. Okay? What's with the Three of Swords in reverse? Yeah. The Eight of Swords. I don't know. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, effortless na ang tawag ito, ang pag-move on, ang pag-heal, effortless. Yeah. Okay? Parang, okay, kailangan ko lang ng ganito, pahinga, whatsoever. Okay, what's with the World? The Three of Wands. Yeah, you're manifesting good things, Pisces. Some of you, you're not aware you're manifesting good. Okay? Good stuff. You're not aware. Kasi pwedeng may mga situation na hindi nyo na pinipilit. Okay? This is like acceptance, Pisces. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah, this is victory for you. Yeah, in general. What's with the Ace of Cups? You are attracting. Yan. Yan ang magandang energy. You are attracting love, good things. No? Hindi ikaw yung mag-chase. Yeah. Oh, yung ganda nito, Pisces, ha. Kakaiba to, ha. Okay. Ano tong Ace of Cups? Yeah. The Two of Wands. Iba sa inyo, itong bago na paparating, pwedeng magkakaroon ng like paghihirapan ka nito. Yeah, again, the Six of Wands. Hahabulin ka nito, ipupurso ka. Ay, ang taray. Okay. Ace of Cups. Some of you, malayo itong taong to. Pwedeng foreign. Yeah. Okay. Pero nandito yung ano like, pag-iisipan mo pa kung tatanggapin mo yung offer or what. Yes. I don't know why. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Two of Wands? Two of Wands. Diba? This is nice. No, Ace of Wands. Paghirapan mo ko. Parang ganyan. Kung gusto mo ko, paghirapan mo ko. O, diba? Ang ganda. Yeah. Kung makikita nyo, Three of Wands, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 6. Kita natin kanina si 6 of Wands. No? That's victory. This is nice. All in all, maganda. So, there, yun ang ating reading. For Pisces placements. Okay, so, yeah. Ba't ganun? Para akong nalutang. So, yun ang ating reading for all signs. So, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!